Hello, beautiful people. Welcome again to Solicious Cuisine. If you're new here, you're welcome and thanks for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make gâteau. Gâteau is a Cameroonian street food. For this recipe, you'll be needing some all-purpose flour, melted butter, sugar, salt, nutmeg, some yeast, egg, and some milk. So to mix the gâteau, you want to put your milk in a bowl, add your sugar, give it a proper mix. After which you put the yeast and every other ingredients except the flour and give that a proper mix until all of them are well combined. After all the other ingredients are well mixed and combined, I'll go in with my flour. So for the flour, I am not going to put all at once. I'm using 5 cups of flour and I will be mixing 4 cups of flour at first, and then I will leave a cup of flour for later on. So you want to mix until everything is mixed and combined, until you have a dough, and then you cover and let it rise or double its size for about 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the dough has doubled its size. So I'm going to mix again, in which I'm going to add the remaining flour. Remember, we set aside a cup of flour, so I'm going to give that a good mix, put it on my work surface, and then I'm going to cut this into the sizes that I want, and then round it to form like a small ball, put it on a tray, and then cover and also let it rest for like 15 minutes. So I already had my oil heated, and you want to make sure that your oil is not too hot before you put the gâteau. You want to fry this on a low medium heat, because when the oil is too hot, your gâteau will get brown on the outside, but it will not get cooked on the inside. So you want to fry this until it is golden brown. Have you been watching till this moment? And have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do so and click on the notification bell. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and share, and also leave a comment below if you will be trying this recipe. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, keep loving each other. God bless you. Bye bye.